Poverty as a challenge. Point number 2, vulnerable group. You studied that the previous period. Poverty is a serious problem in our country, and our country it will be found everywhere, in all state, in all societies, urban and rural case. But the proportion of people below poverty line is not same for all social groups and economic categories in India. Social groups which are most vulnerable to poverty are scheduled caste, SCs, and scheduled tribe household, as well as the economic groups. The most vulnerable groups are the rural agriculture laborers and the urban casual laborers household. See, on page number 33, graph number 3.1. In this graph, it is shows that overall in our country, average poverty ratio 26.1% in 2000. Overall, India's poverty ratio is 26%. But in social and economic group, it is not same proportion. In scheduled tribe, 51% people, it means above the average poverty ratio. Country's average poverty ratio is 26%, and in scheduled tribe, STs having the 51% peoples are the below poverty line. And another social group, scheduled caste. In scheduled caste, 43% peoples are below poverty line. And urban casual laborers economic group, 50% are the below poverty line. Rural agriculture laborers, 47% people are the below poverty line. Socially and economically, there is a unequal poverty proportion. Few groups having the more peoples are the below poverty line, and few groups having the less people are the below poverty line. But due to the government efforts, due to the government schemes, the recent study shows that except from STs, except from STs, all other three groups, scheduled caste, rural agriculture labor, and urban casual labor, have seen a decline in poverty. It means except STs, other three categories poverty ratio decline. This is our country's picture, and these types of a picture it is found our families also. How? Just you have to see in your family having the members 4 5 member, and among these 4 5 members, two are the children and one is a elder person or old people. Just you have to see surrounding your or in your families. All people having the equal opportunities? Absolutely. Few families will be found there is no equal opportunities to all people. Generally, it is found women, old people, girl childs are denied equal access to resources available to the family. They are not giving the equal opportunities. Women, girl child and old people are poorest of the poor in the family. On page number 34, read the story of Shivaraman and try to find out few questions answer. This is activity. You have to try to do this activity. What is activity? Observe some of the poor families around you and try to find the following answer. Activity number 1. Which social and economic groups do they belong to? Second, who are the earning members in the family? Third, what is the conditions of the old people in the family? And fourth, are all the children, boys and girls, attending the school? Try to find out this question's answer.